Hi, teacher. Unit 3. Did the store end? My name is Dania Valentina Ramos Madroñero. Pertenezco a la Facultad de Educación, Programas de Pedagogía Infantil, Fundación Universitaria del Caribe, SECAR. Cursando Inglés 2. Topper script. Dear years I got going, Miss Susan. A chopper body was beautiful, smart, and rich. Every day I went to her house. He built her flown and the chocolates, but she was no interest. Had heavy her built spins, give boots, she still went. One day you Hoyle asked you Susan to marry Wins, but she had to know her lay house very speed. The went home is the crypt. I did know where buried that accounts lover another woman a dozen on Susan the working winds. Months later, I'm a woman named Shirley Joy, which I love ring a white. She was everything hay water. She went to we with joy. A no kucha was aroused in I finally stopped thinking about Susan. On the joy, it Shirley went out for rides in their new sport cars. Susan, watching the man from the house for the woman, Susan fell in love with Joel, but her love for him came to like Joel didn't love her anymore. Some time passes, neither long nor short a Susan Dorket about living she did no except her misguided eyes talk about moving what joints counted no ones something some open in their hair. It was hot love. I did not sign a sign due to luck. Ahead with Armender with the firmness which the most important delicious are mother I look into reyes and signs. Good but tell my dad you wills reautonor she is forever neither you nor have control over these things unless they're over the heart. And my thank you teacher.